Town Primary School. I'm at station number 17, making a fairy house, and I'm going to make a fairy house today. You don't have to come to China School Forest in order to make a fairy house. It's really easy. All you need is some materials, and that's it. You don't want to use live things because you don't want to kill anything to make your fairy house. But other than that, you can do bark, pine cones, sticks. You could even use shells if you had some. Lots of different materials, and then we're just going to create. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a location. I really like old stumps. I think they make a great habitat for your fairy. This one has a lot of debris in it, so I'm going to clear out a little bit of it, and then we'll see what my creative juices come up with. Some more supplies now. So here's my fairy house. We have a little path and some pillars on either side of the path. And then we have maybe like a little bathroom with a sink and a bed, as well as kind of a roof and a little table with some acorn shells on it. And I tried to make a little bit of a rug. Let me back up so you can see the whole thing. So I hope you enjoy making your fairy house as well.